Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your VW Passat remote key. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself in just a few minutes. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. We'll go step by step, ensuring you can quickly get your key fob working perfectly again. Let's get started with this simple and effective method. Now let's open up the key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key. Press it down and slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Take your small flathead screwdriver and insert it into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate easily. Be careful not to use too much force, as we want to avoid any damage to the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, use your small screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old CR2032 battery from its slot. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up. This is crucial for proper function. It should fit snugly into the compartment. Great job! Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks firmly in place. Finally, test all the remote functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your VW Passat key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.